What's good, my people? I'm back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, I'd like to request every single person watching to please like, comment, share, subscribe. Check out all the videos, all the on-foots, every single video. Click the bell icon so you know when anything's coming out. And yeah, let's get straight into this one. So this is actually a bit of a fail, if I'm honest, but you'll find out why it's a fail in just a few moments. So we've got the red and white Puma box. It's changed slightly. It doesn't have that shiny cover. It's more of a matte red now and a matte white. Soft foam plus optimal comfort. And on the sticker's actually not even shiny as well anymore, which is funny. So it says Graviton Pro, and then the colorway is grey, white, black, Clyde Royal. The style code is 38073621. They are UK 10, Euro 44.5, US 11, and centimeters 29. They are made in China. So I don't know if you can notice straight off the bat, there's something up. That's what's up, people. They've sent me 2 right feet. So I'll still review them, but obviously no one foot. Unfortunately. So yeah, we've got like this kind of like BMW M Sport colorway going on, which I noticed straight away. I don't know if they intended to do that or not. The sole, we've got that waffle type of sole, so what Nike have, like very similar to that, the waffle sole. Midsole, quite plain, it's all white, normal. Then on the back we've got a Puma in some plastic in red, and it wraps around the heel and onto the other side. Then I've got another pair of these. So another colorway, the triple black one, they have a lot of suede, which this is literally mimicking. So a lot of suede, same materials as well, so that kind of neoprene, the little ribbon in the back, and mesh, literally the same on the triple black pair, which is quite different, to be honest. Puma love to use a lot of different materials on one shoe, which I've noticed a lot. On the heel, it's got the BMW type colorways. I know this ain't an official BMW shoe, otherwise they would have written it on there, but it's definitely giving me the M Sport colorway. So the red, blue, and like teal. The insole is that soft foam, optimal comfort. Let's just pull it up. Yep, so it's that color. You know, it's a decent shoe. I'm really annoyed that there's only right feet. It's kind of funny, but it's annoying at the same time. So yeah, I can't really do an on foot, to be honest. That would be very difficult. If I feel like it, I'll try, but I really can't be bothered, not gonna lie. That's quite annoying. So it is an epic fail. A decent shoe, decent colorway, to be honest. Very standard, good, you know, for a summertime on the bottom of some shorts, or you know, autumn, spring times. You compare these with a lot of things. But yeah, let me know what you think of these. There will not be an on foot of these, unfortunately. Check out all the other videos. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and take care, my people.